In this video, we will learn how to use Ask Me a Question on Instagram. So let's begin.
So to use Instagram feature, ask me a question, what you have to do is just go and open your Instagram app. Once you have opened your Instagram app, what you have to do is just go to top left corner. There is an icon of camera. So just go and tap on this camera icon on the top left. Once you have tapped on that, after that just go and tap on this bottom left corner. There is an icon of photos. So just go and tap on that. And here you have various photos and videos. Gallery is open, so here you can just go and select for various options you have available. So just go and select anyone, and here you have to select the background image. You can select a video as well as an image. So I will just go and select this image. Once you have selected an image, what you can do is just go and tap on this photo icon on the top, third one. So just go and tap on this photo icon, and here just scroll down below and you can see a question option here. So just go and tap on this question option, and here it says ask me a question. So just go and tap on it, and here you can type in any question you want. For example, I say how are you, and here you can change the background color. So just go and select anyone. So you can do that. Once you have done so, what you have to do is just go and tap on send to, and here tap on your story. Just go and tap on share. Once you have done so, just go and tap on this account icon on the bottom right. Just go and tap on this, and here you can see this your story. So here it is. Hope by doing so you can use your story ask me a question option in Instagram. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.